When Huzoor departs after touring a country, Ahmadis are extremely saddened. What are Huzoor's sentiments?
So what do you think? What should be my sentiments? If you feel saddened or you will feel sad when I leave, then the same sentiments are mine. That is what happens. But after some time, you forget that I came here and I left. I never forget you. I keep on praying for you all the time. So this is how the world works. And this is how we should behave, that a person who comes here in our town or city or in the world, he has to go back. And we should pray for the person, for each other. This is how we can strengthen the bond of relationship, right? That you should do, that is what I should do.
Ji, Huzoor.
Okay.
Jazakallah.